So guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's vlog is gagawa po tayo guys ng egg recipe guys for breakfast. This one is my own version of egg recipe rice bowl. So gawa tayo ng itlog na rice bowl, okay? Watch guys until end. And guys, ang ating egg, mayroon na po siyang salt guys, salt only. Then, i-mix natin siya. Scramble egg na kasi ito. With salt. To taste. Para yung egg natin, may sarili siyang lasa. No? Yan po yung gagawin natin sa ating itlog. Then, atin siyang gamitan ng sibuyas, guys. Onion leek. Na malaki. So, ito po siya. Na very manipis na pagkahiwa. A very thin slice. This one is not only a spice guys, isa din ito sa main dish. Kumbaga main din siya na ingredients, or main ingredients, not main dish, no? A very thin slice. Pwede naman kung wala kayong ganito is yung dahon. Kaya lang dito kasi is ito yung mas marami pag ganitong season. Meron mang yung dahon pero mahal. At mas gusto ko ito dahil manamis-namis siya. Malalasahan mo talaga yung kanyang power ng sibuyas. So, yun guys. Sobrang nipis lang. And slanting slice. Yun. Then, yan, guys, keep watching guys. Ipapatuloy ko lang preparation. So, ayan. Let's prepare for our sauce guys. This one is cornstarch. Then, on that cornstarch, let's put soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Then, salt, black, and pepper. And seasoning from fish. Yun, kung ano yung nasanayan ninyo na seasoning sa inyong mga luto, pwede nyong gamitin yan. So, yun. Then, atin siyang haluin. Then, put water. Ito yung ating magiging seasoning guys sa ating luto guys. Egg with seasoning. Okay? Then, atin siyang, sayang ito. Atin siyang iset aside. And yan, first is lutuin po natin yung egg. Put a cooking oil on the pan with exact amount. This one guys is rice oil. Rice oil siya, kaya ganyan ang kulay niya. Yan. First is lutuin po natin yung itlog. Sa ating fry pan. Yun. So, ayun guys, malapit ang maluto yung ating itlog. Ito ay ating lutuin muna bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating mga ibang kalahok. Keep watching guys! So, ayun guys, luto na po yung ating itlog. So, atin siyang i-separate to proceed other process. Okay? Then, on the same fry pan, wait lang ha. On the same fry pan, pwede mong lagyan ng konting oil kung gusto mong medyo masarap, or kung ayaw mo naman, pwedeng yung natirang oil na lang yung gagamitin. So, yun. Then, on that oil, let's change our sandok. Let's put the onion leek. Onion leek lang, sapat na. Ang bangunan yan. At may extra pang manamis-namis na lasa. Okay? Amoy pa lang. Mapapa-wow ka na. So, wag natin siyang i-overcook guys, kasi nga, sayang yung kanyang nutrients. Then, ilagay natin yung ating seafood mix. Ito ay frozen guys. Nabibili lang sa frozen both. Then, lagyan natin siya ng sake, pangpawala ng langsa, guys. Yan po ay sikreto para walang langsa yung luto. So, yun, ang bango. That's absolutely yummy. Papasan natin yung apoy. Kasi malawak yung ating kawali. Medyo mahina yung init. So, yun. Haluin mo lang siya ng haluin. Ito po ay seafoods guys. Shrimp and squid. Yung malalaking squid. Ito yung kanyang meat. Yan yung meat niya, squid. And also the, what is that? Shrimp. So, yan. Lutuin lang natin siya mga 2 to 3 minutes. So, ayan, on this part, guys, luto na po yung ating seafoods. Ating hinaan po yung apoy. Medyo volume down natin yung apoy. On this part, dito na natin ilagay yung ating ginawa na mix ng mga spices, soy sauce, cornstarch, as a seasoning. Bakit hinaan ng apoy pag maglagay ng cornstarch? Para hindi agad tumigas at balance ang kanyang pagkaroon ng sticky na sticky kumbaga. Kasi syempre pag lagay mo ng cornstarch, ang cornstarch agad yan magtitigas. So para balance, so yan, kailangan mong hinaan yung apoy, okay? Yun po yung point, guys. Para hindi agad tumigas sa party nito, tumigas sa party doon. So dapat balance. So, yan po yung ating soy sauce. Then, after that, pwede mo na siyang lakasan pag na-mix mo na siya lahat. So, yun po yung aking point of the day for cooking using cornstarch. Yan, unti-unti na siya naging sticky, guys. At magiging malasa na ang ating seafoods. So, ito yung pinaka-soy sauce natin. Soy sauce baga, ito yung pinaka-sauce natin sa ating itlog or rice bowl, egg rice bowl. So, ayan, sticky na po siya. So, meaning to say, luto na po ito. Then, on this part, let's prepare na po ng ating rice. Okay? Ito na po yung ating rice, guys. Rice bowl, as I've said, gagamit tayo ng bowl. Okay? Yan. A heavy breakfast is the most important food of the day. So, yun. Then, ito na po yung ating niluto na egg. Okay? On the top of the rice, let's put an egg. So, yun. Parang madami. Ayun. So, ayan. Pwede na yan. Then, let's put our delicious sauce on the top of the egg. Medyo sticky yata na parami yung aking ano. Pero okay lang yan kasi pag masabaw, guys, hindi rin siya masyadong maganda dahil nga sa, syempre, ano siya, mag-absorb siya sa rice, di ba? So, tama lang yung hindi masyadong matubig. So, wag lang din masyadong sticky dahil hindi na rin siya masarap. So, yung itong ano lang, texture lang is good. Then, eat while it's hot, okay? Dahil ang cornstarch, titigas yan kapag malamig na. So, eat while it's hot. So, yan po yung point sa pagkain na ito. This one is excellent rice bowl with seafoods, okay? Until here, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our vlog. And I hope you could share this on your community about this recipe. Very simple, but excellent, okay? So, until here, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.